Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Hey folks, so today we're at another car show. It's called Hub City Days in Marshfield, Wisconsin. We're going to be shooting a bunch of cool cars again and hopefully get an interview with the one that built the Bel Air. Well, there's Mom's future car. That's the one that Amanda wants, kind of.
One hand on a bottle, she got one hand on a gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done. I should be running from you, darling, now to kingdom come. Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls, yeah. The good ones just can't get me high, so I'll be falling all my life for one of these bad girls. You bad girl, but she do me so. She taking all my money, but I make it rain like 24/7. If it mean a little time with you, break my heart and leave me hurt. The next one just gon' do me worse. So if they all no good, I'll just be bad with you. Cause my mother told me as a might just end up getting burned. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls.
Look at that rat rod.
Get that one.
Oh, twin turbo?
I don't know, it's check.
Yeah, it's twin turbo. Look at that. 1, 2.
It's a V8.
Air ride front suspension.
Air ride back.
Air ride rear.
Oh, it's got a parachute.
And it's got the parachute. Fuel cell. Chopped and channeled.
Why is it the dark one?
This is a rat rod.
It'd be uncomfortable to sit.
Speed limit 250 miles an hour.
I feel like it'd be uncomfortable to sit.
Oh, look at that big blue bottle.
Nitrous oxide.
That is awesome. That's got a Coyote in it. That's got a Coyote V8 in it.
V8 twin turbo rat rod.
Boys stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls.
Hey, we found it again, everybody. We found this one at Iola, and that's here now. So we're going to look at this one, too. So this truck is an F-250 Platinum with a Raptor body kit. Look at that.
One just can't get me high, so I be falling all my life for one.
Convertible Beetle. Where's your mom? Remember, folks, that counts. That one actually counts for 2.
We're so good.
There's the car Mom wants. And that's the red eye.
Yep.
Is it the red eye? No,
Yeah.
it's not.
It's yellow.
It's yellow. That is not the red eye.
I don't know what that is.
Look at that.
That's a truck.
Look at that. Old B model Kenworth. There's a 5.0 Mustang. That's like the one that I want. Right there. That cool car. Look at that.
Well, they made the rust an ender in it.
Yeah. Look, they use chainsaw bars to hold the door open.
Oh, look at this thing.
People to get through. You just have to watch for everybody.
Guys, if you want to see a tomato, come and visit. You guys will see a red hot tomato. His name's Tristan.
You know I'm gonna leave that in the video, right?
Uh-huh.
Toyota, Honda, those are all newer. There's a Corvette, newer one.
And I don't really care about the newer
one.
cars. It's more the older cars.
Right, right. I don't like those crotch rockets.
You guys should get my dad to 1 million subs. Maybe he'll buy me a motorcycle.
It definitely ain't gonna be a crotch rocket.
Dang. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Sierra Grande. Look at that winch kit.
Another punch buggy.
Yep. Yeah, Uncle Marty got me for it.
You can never get me too. You got me. Oh. Look at this, guys. We're at the Hub City Days car show. Look at what I just found. Dodge Demon 170.
Down.
You're getting pretty good at that. Allen Brothers Garage. That's kind of cool. That's actually, I've seen it.
Is it a ride?
So this is the drive axle, and this is not.
Oh yeah, it's just
Oh no, they are both drive axles. Look at that. Inverted leaf.
yup, not
That's
not
like a,
not going like this, it's going like that.
that's like a Corvette differential. There's two of them in there. So get the punch buggy because you know that counts in the video. I gotta tell them that counts. There you go. So yeah, folks, the punch buggy counts. See, there's another one for you. Oh, there's another one.
Your phone's starting to get laggy. There's another punch buddy that went 2,500 for it.
Yeah, that counts, folks.
But them are very deadly.
Look at this thing. This has got a Cummins in it. Check that out. They compound turboed it? Did they? Yeah, they compound turboed it. Look at that. In a compound turbo.
Fuel injector.
12 valve Cummins. Wow, that thing's built. Check that out. That's one of the coolest Dodges that they ever made.
And that's clean.
That's very clean build. Look at this thing.
This is sick. Look up. It says look up.
So, we gotta look underneath. Ooh, it's got the Grinch.
It says look up, everybody.
Yeah.
And then it just yeah.
Got the Grinch?
You got Grinch with his little smiley face.
Check out how clean it is. Ooh, this one has suicide doors on. Look at that. Bye.
I gotta think he's special.
Double it down there.
Oh my god.
Suicide doors. That. No door handles. They shaved the door handles. They did suicide doors, and they got door poppers on them.
Sweet like wine, got honey on her
Artlist
tongue.
IO.
One hand on a bottle, she got one hand on a gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done.
Well, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the cars. Hopefully, we did a good job filming. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.